Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're planning a trip to Germany, you're in for a treat. This beautiful country has so much to offer, from its rich history and culture to its stunning landscapes and delicious cuisine. In this video, I'm going to share with you the top 10 things to do in Germany as a traveler. Let's get started. Number 10. Visit Berlin. Germany's capital city is a must-visit destination. In addition to the Brandenburg Gate, which is one of Berlin's most famous landmarks, the city is also home to the Berlin Wall, the Reichstag Building, the Checkpoint Charlie Museum, and the Berliner Dom. Be sure to also check out the city's vibrant street art scene, its trendy cafes and restaurants, and its numerous museums and galleries. Number 9. Explore Bavaria. This picturesque region in southern Germany is home to stunning scenery, quaint villages, and some of the country's most famous castles, including Neuschwanstein Castle, which inspired the design of the Disney Castle. Other highlights include the historic city of Nuremberg, the charming town of Rothenburg ob der Tauber, and the beautiful lakeside town of Füssen. Number 8. Drink beer at Oktoberfest. This annual festival in Munich is a celebration of Bavarian culture and beer. In addition to drinking beer, visitors can also enjoy traditional Bavarian food, live music, carnival rides, and games. The festival runs for 16 days, from mid-September to the first weekend in October. Number 7. Visit the Black Forest. This beautiful forested region in southwestern Germany is known for its scenic drives, quaint villages, and delicious Black Forest cake. Some of the highlights include the spa town of Baden-Baden, the scenic town of Triberg, and the beautiful Lake Titisee. Number 6. Tour the Rhine River. Take a cruise down the Rhine River, which flows through some of Germany's most picturesque landscapes, including vineyards, castles, and charming towns. Some of the highlights include the Loreley Rock, the town of Rudesheim, and the Marksburg Castle. Number 5. Visit Cologne Cathedral. This stunning Gothic cathedral in the city of Cologne is one of Germany's most iconic landmarks. In addition to its impressive architecture, the cathedral also contains the Shrine of the Three Kings, which is said to contain the remains of the Magi who visited Jesus after his birth. Number 4. Explore the Romantic Road. This scenic route in southern Germany takes you through medieval towns, picturesque landscapes, and some of the country's most charming villages. Some of the highlights include the towns of Dinkelsbühl, Augsburg, and Würzburg. Number 3. Visit the Christmas markets. If you're visiting Germany in December, don't miss the country's famous Christmas markets. From Frankfurt to Nuremberg, these markets offer everything from delicious food and drink to handmade crafts and gifts. Some of the most famous Christmas markets include the Nuremberg Christkindlesmarkt and the Dresden Strasselmarkt. Number 2. Visit the Berlin Wall. Learn about Germany's fascinating history by visiting the remains of the Berlin Wall. This iconic symbol of the Cold War is a must-visit destination in Berlin. Some of the most famous sections of the wall include the East Side Gallery and Checkpoint Charlie. Number 1. Explore the Harz Mountains. This stunning mountain range in central Germany is home to picturesque towns, scenic hiking trails, and the famous Brocken Railway. Some of the highlights include the town of Quedlinburg, the Wernigerode Castle, and the Harz National Park. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Germany as a traveler. I hope this video has inspired you to plan your next adventure in this amazing country. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and inspiration.